Hi Ryan, thank you for your poem this week. Saturday Night Life. I really like what you did this week. I love it when students experiment and go in a different direction than they have in past weeks. So in terms of your second question about breaking away from your typical rhyming and rhythm, I think it's a great format. I think it's a great form, and I think it's great that you're experimenting in other directions. I think as creative folks, as artists, we need to challenge ourselves and we need to get out of our comfort zone. And I just love that you did that this week. So thank you, and well done. Your first question. Did you get a good mental image of the downtown I tried to convey? Yes. One of the things I really appreciate about your work every week, Ryan, is your imagery. So, I think starting out by framing it as getting into the car and then the flashing lights, here comes the skyline, the dusty freeway, but then there's this shift, right? There's this shift to cars and crowds of people and the full restaurants, the pizzeria. I love all sorts assemble in the park. Everyone's looking to make that scratch. It's just um, this lovely exposition and tone. It sets this tone of the downtown that I really dig. So well done. Thank you so much for your work this week. And yes, keep messing with your format. Keep messing with your rhythm and your rhyme.